People often ask me, what drives you as a plastic surgeon? Well, in my case, it is the transformation. Transformation just not on the outside, but on the inside. That is what we call refine your reflection. It's a way of connecting your outer body to the inner body so that you feel much more self-confident, your self-esteem is raised, and you live a happy, healthy life. Hi, I am Dr. Anmol Chugh. I'm a board-certified plastic surgeon based in Gurgaon, Delhi, NCR. And over the past decade, I have the privilege of working with not only patients from India, but globally around the world to refine, restore, and make sure that they go back confident. My journey in medicine began because of the fascination for the aesthetics. Therefore, aesthetic surgery is my forte. My specialization lies in both surgical and non-surgical aesthetic work. Surgical aesthetic work includes face surgeries like facelift, Rhinoplasty, buccal fat reduction, chin liposuction, chin augmentation, along with blepharoplasty, that means the eyelid surgery, autoplasty, that means the ear surgeries, and any kind of facial features that needs to be enhanced. Also, we do body contouring surgeries like mommy makeovers, tummy tuck, liposuction, both the high definition one, medium definition one. Along with that, we do liposuction for lipedema or any other part of the body which has excessive unwanted fat. We are also specialists in male aesthetics, that means gynecomastia or male chest correction, in which we have our signature approach in which there is no cut on the chest region. Along with that, we do breast surgeries in females, which are breast augmentation, which can involve breast implants or breast fat transfer. Along with that can include breast reduction or breast lift surgeries also. Beyond that, we also give non-surgical work which helps in anti-aging. These include Botox, filler, PRP, and many other treatments. What sets our practice apart from the others around the world are the 4 core values. I call it refine your reflection core values. Number 1 is the patient safety. We never compromise with patient safety, and therefore we always operate in a standard operating environment, making sure even that you are once in a billion patient, we have an ICU backup also. Number 2, results. Our results are consistently good because over the past decade we have established certain guidelines, SOPs, in which our team of associate plastic surgeons, coordinators make sure that each and every step is followed. Number 3, post-surgery care. I believe that the actual journey of the plastic surgery starts post-surgery. That means that each and every step we are here to support you right from the day you are operated till the fact that you are sure in your cosmetic surgery that you are working towards your goal of living a happy and healthy life. Number 4, seamless experience. We believe in seamless experience for our patients. That is why we work with such partners across the hospitality industry to make sure whether you are staying in a particular hotel, to make sure whether you're flying out safely, to make sure that post-surgery also you go back to your home country in a safe environment. Whether it is a mother regaining her confidence post-pregnancy or a young man getting to lose his chest fat which is causing embarrassment, or a female that is looking to enhance features of her body, our job is to support that person through thick and thin, and not just operating but to guide them and support them, because we believe that transformation lasts longer when it is based on transparency and clarity. So whether you are curious about plastic surgery or any non-surgical work to enhance your beauty, to enhance your self-confidence, then this might be the right channel for you. Thank you so much for watching. Dr. Anmol Chugh, cosmetic and plastic surgeon, signing off.